Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to repost someone else's Instagram story to be our own. So the first thing that you have to do, open your Instagram application and make sure that you are signed in and logged in into your account. And after that, you just need to take a look on these two upper sides on the right corner here. There will be two buttons. Now you just need to visit this part, which is the DM part here. Go click it, and when someone mention you or their story, they will be pop up over here. And now you just need to open this story, or you can also just go click add to your story right here. Now you can adjusting the size of the story. If you want to make this like pop up into the whole screen, just go click it. And you can also adding the text or even the stickers for this story. And after that, after you got everything right, you just need to go click add into your story and wait until your Instagram already success uploading your story on your Instagram. So that is the way how to repost someone else's Instagram story into our own. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.